Czech Republic, Barbora
Greetings from Stadium 2 at the
Strycova.
Indian Wells Tennis Garden. Barry Milnes and Stephanie Dubois here for a continuation of our coverage of this WTA mandatory event. And we're about to watch Simona Halep taking on Barbora Strycova, the Romanian against the Czech.
Simona Halep.
Game
And so
Halep.
straight away, the Romanian up and running here with a
Halep
break.
leads 2 games to love.
Well, that's surprising. The miss is suddenly coming from the Romanian,
Halep leads
doubling her unforced
2
error count
games to
and
1.
consequently handing Strycova a bit of a lifeline early in this contest to get on the board. 2-1. What a great stretch volley. I thought Halep might have worked her way out of trouble there and produced quality shots to do so, but it was the best one to finish from the Czech here. Look at the
Game
position.
Halep.
Strycova forced behind the baseline and the Romanian up inside
Halep
hers to
leads
put that away
3 games to 1.
and regain the upper hand here with another break.
Game
It
Halep.
came through low, but Halep right down behind the ball does really
New
well
balls,
there.
please.
And Romanian fans are more to smile about
Halep
at the moment
leads
than the Czechs,
5 games to
as
2.
their favourite leads 5-2. Halep has it in her grasp and takes it like that. First set very
6
much in
games
her
to 2.
favour. One brief blip with the loss of her own serve early in the piece in the third game, but from there it's been very much her way. 6-2. Yeah, she's got it covered.
15 love. (15-13).
Well, that's some close to a game that had real potential for Strycova to get ahead, but instead the Romanian heroine is the one being cheered, rightly so, after that recovery in the game to lead 5-4 in the second set. I was about to say she's really switched on again, but then she does that. Everything's so good getting there. But even she can smile a little bit about it. Strycova finding a way to wriggle out of that with an excellent backhand slice. It just kept the ball very low and coming into Halep, and she's trying to get around it to hit it, but doesn't quite manage it. In the end, Halep finds a way, and once again it is in straight sets against Barbora Strycova. The Czech battled hard, she always does, but Halep just handed it to her again. Too good with the way she played. Her focus very good through a set and a half, and then it wavered, but she's very good at readjusting, and that's why she's where she is in the world rankings, right up towards the top.
Yes, very good match from Halep. A few things that she could do a bit better, but yeah, she really turned it around, and she did a really good service game to really get that momentum in that second set.